Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will be seeing how I'm using Notion app to prepare my schedule for CSE exam. So let's start with this video. So first you should go to this left side panel and go to this templates tab. After you click on the templates tab, you can see there are various templates on the right side. Go to the education section and then click on the course schedule. When you click on the course schedule, this type of template will come and click on the use this template. Then you can keep your own heading for the template. Like I'm keeping study schedule for August, and then you can prepare the various tasks. Like I'm preparing sociology paper 1, and you can also create the date from when to when you're about to complete that task. We can also assign the type, like I have to prepare my notes, so I assign note making, and also the various books you will be using to complete this task. I'm listing all my sociology books which I would be using for this sociology paper 1. Similarly for sociology paper 2 also I'll create the task. Similarly, I will add those books for sociology paper 2. You can add whichever books you want, whichever subject you want, whichever dates, whichever types. Everything is customizable in Notion. It's a very good app. Similarly, I will also create another task of answer writing. I can also change the logo. By changing all these logos and customizing with all these colors, it makes your preparation very interesting. Otherwise, if you prepare just without these productivity apps, it becomes quite boring. So now you can see how in this calendar app I have prepared all those notes and they are assigned to me there. Similarly, I will also prepare another task of prelims mock tests. I will assign the date, I will assign it as test, and also I'll give the subject like polity. Then similarly, I'll create other prelims mock tests like history, then economics, then art and culture, environment. All these things I will create, and then I will add the suitable dates and also edit those prelims mock test. Similarly, I can also add a description which helps me focus on why I have to finish my study schedule for August. Then also I can add a background image. See how nice it looks like. And within the study schedule, I can also add micro tasks like in the morning session, evening session, what I have to do, which type of activities I have to do, which books I have to read. I can easily list them out so that I need not keep on searching for everything. Like when you sit to study, you can immediately open this Notion app and get whichever books you have to read, what type of material you have to read, which type of concepts you need to make clear and all. This customizable property feature of Notion is very good. You can see I'm adding various notes, various subtasks and various notes in them. Like what I have to study, where I have to study. You can use this calendar view and you can see how in the August month I have detailed my study schedule. It looks very interesting. If you appreciate this video, please give it a thumbs up as it motivates me in creating such videos. You can also share your views, queries, etc. in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel to get such regular videos. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.